Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss one of the program, subtraction program in Python. How to implement subtraction program in Python language. First, we can create file. File name is subtraction.py Python. Click finish. Now here return number 1 equal to 20. Number 2 equal to 30. Now result. Sorry, here I remove semicolons. Why means Python should not allow semicolons end of the line, but Java is supported. Result. Sorry, yes, result equal to number 1 minus number 2. Now when I will return. Now print double quotations, division, sorry, subtraction of subtraction 0 and subtraction 1 is subtraction 2. Dot format num1 comma num2 comma result. This is the program. Sorry, I can return a result. Result. Now run this one, right click, run as. See, minus 10. Here is getting minus 10. No, I don't want to get any minus 10. I will give any number. I will give small number first, highest number second. I will give highest number first, small number second. But I will give any type of input, but need positive numbers only. See, that's why here getting some minus 10. But I don't want like this. I need only positive numbers. How written positive numbers means I will write one condition. If number 1 greater than equal to number 2, here I will use result equal to number 1 minus number 2. Else, similarly, I will return result number 2 minus number 1. Expected to give column, no need. Here we can give like this. Can check what is the output of this one. Need to declare arrays where the result equal to 0. Can check this one. Save. See, that is getting correct. So like this, we need to implement the subtraction of the programming Python language. Hmm? This is the way we need to implement Python programming, subtraction programming Python language. Hmm? If you need more information about Python or Java, could you please comment at below commented box. Uh, I'm requesting before sign off. I'm requesting. Could you please subscribe my channel and support me? I'm signing off.